Alright, I'm just gonna cut to the chase and show you guys the product right now. The product which made me $7,000 in one of my first stores, not the first store. Whoever is able to take advantage of this video as soon as it goes up, you guys are probably gonna be in for a gold mine. But once again guys, free value added every single day, so make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, my course is out, first link in the description. I'm gonna be talking a bit more about it towards the end. There's a lot of value in the course. I literally revealed my own website in it, and just, you know, there's gonna be personal calls with the people enrolling, and there's just so much stuff to do. But anyway, before we get into that, I don't want to waste your time anymore, so let's show you the product. And happy new year to all of you. There you guys go. This is the 7K product, and I think this is, I mean, it's pretty obvious that I don't know how nobody saw this product trending. Look at the price, $3, and look at the orders, 34,000 over that orders. Like, that's crazy. Anything above 200 is normally okay and it's trending, and this is just in the thousands, in the tens of thousands, which is just absolutely insane. Protect your eyes from, you know, blinding light so you don't get flashed. And if you don't get flashed, then you're much less likely to actually have accidents, right? And that's why the survival tactic mixed with safety and mixed with fashion and the cool design made this product one of the most best-selling products, and it's still going up. And are you gonna see the amount of sales for this thing? Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Every single day there's a full page. And on 25th Jan, there were literally 3 pages. 5 pages of sales, guys. This is an insane product. This is such a really good product, and you can keep targeting different people. Eventually you're gonna make a lot of sales. This is the stupid product that made me 7K, because literally sunglasses and night vision, who would have thought, right? So I was like night vision in real life. Like what, like normally the night vision glasses I've known are well over $400, $500 for professional night vision glasses. But this one, I was like, okay, this is like literally $3, so I can price it up to $12 and easily set it. And the next thing I know is $7,000 in sales. But once again, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and I'm gonna be full transparent. $7,000, the entire thing was not profit, okay? Even the $6,200, it was not profit. It was all the sales amount. I spent about $200 in ads for a big page, and in total everything cost me about $4,000 to $5,000. So I only just really profited about $2,000 or maybe $2,500, which is still pretty okay. But I just want to be transparent with you guys. I don't want to lie to you guys like other people do, and that's exactly what I'm here for. Get some sales on it. I really hope the best for you guys. Basically, I had a lot of people commenting on videos and hitting me up on social media, asking for coaching, mentorship, and all I had to say was no, because I couldn't say anything else. And I'm answering this with the best way I know how, because I can't keep up with the questions every single day, so I gotta make a training program so I can help as many as you who are really serious about Shopify. But yeah, I've made sure that the course is affordable, and I've even added an extra section at the bottom for starter making money. But yeah guys, the price will go up soon, because mainly I'll just keep adding a lot of value, and it has too much value in it right now. Like, I even revealed my best marketing practices along with my store, my $15,000 product, and eventually I'm going to be increasing the price because of that same reason. But yeah, the really good thing about the course is that I will have a small amount of people who I can actually talk to every other day and week, and actually talk about your store. And it's not gonna be one of those courses where you just pay and then it's done, like, you know, that you just all by yourself. I'm making sure here that I'm in touch with you guys constantly, because I want to understand what exactly stops people from making sales. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys are interested in the course, it's the first link in the description. If you're not, there is absolutely no problem. That's totally okay. I'll still be adding you a lot of free value like I always have in my videos, so you guys can always watch that and progress. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Use the product to your full advantage, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Then peace out.